Downtown Mandan, Bismark, pardon me, and we have a fun day. We'll go here, pause on this spot if you want, read all that. This is one of the original buildings of Bismark. This church was relocated here. More importantly, 2164 is here. You can read about it here. We're going to walk around and get some good video. In the midst of that, we're going to take a quick shot of this. Read that if you like. This engine was very well recovered and repainted. Neat thing is, this is maybe 50 feet from the current former NP and now BNSF main line. Right there. Backside of the church. Very cool. Back to our engine. Throw it, slip on the ice. And our new paint's still peeling. Get some detail for y'all. Good old NP tender step, see-through. Got their casting number on the bottom there. Back when the railroads built their own stuff. The NP cut out the hole in the side of the step there, in front of it, to prevent it becoming a reflection and appearing to be a white flag, or to prevent confusing oncoming trains. Well, that is an NP steam engine. I wished I'd seen it running.